Hello my friends, how are you? So the thing about buying whole chicken is the many parts you can get for different meals, and I have stopped buying chicken pieces because of all the things I can do with my whole chicken, and today is no exception. Like I showed you when we butchered the chicken, I showed you different parts that we're going to use, and I'm going to show you videos of the different things we've done with that chicken. Some you've already seen, and today we are using our chicken thigh and drumstick. We're using this part especially because it is the dark meat. It tends to have a different texture from the chicken breast. It is more juicy. So when you flavor it and cook it with stuffing inside, whether it be cheese, spinach and onions, but as you will see, today we are using our chicken tenders, grounded or cut into very little bits. We made stuffing with that, and then we use that to serve our chicken. So you'll see all of this shortly. If we haven't met, my name is Wanyiha Jean Dutz, and this is the channel Making of a Chef, and it's all about cooking and learning different things. And join us and let's share ideas and cooking tips so that you can get better and become chefs. Okay, so welcome. What you're looking for is flavor and moisture. One thing I love about the air fryer is how it will get your chicken crispy, juicy, and cook it so fast. Now that we've obtained this color on the top side, I'm going to flip this so that we get the same on the next side. And as you can see, it's releasing so much moisture, and we can use that to baste our chicken. So don't worry if it looks so dry on the top, because we can get that fixed with some basting. Okay, so we'll cook it for about 25 minutes overall. So this is still the first 15 minutes. We have 4 minutes to go. Okay, and what I love about the stuffing is that you can serve it alongside your meal. So you don't have to use it only as stuffing. Okay, so we will warm this with some added butter and serve it alongside our chicken and broccoli.